If you're seeing Steam error 15, that usually means an access denied or request blocked issue. And in this video, I'm going to show you a few simple fixes you can try right away. This is a really common problem when Steam can't properly connect to its services. And the good news is that in many cases, you can solve it in just a few minutes without reinstalling anything. So if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, the easiest thing to check is whether you have a VPN or proxy turned on. Steam can sometimes block connections when your network traffic is being routed through a VPN or proxy, so if you're using one, turn it off completely and then restart Steam. If you're on a work, school, or public network, that can also interfere with access, so it's worth testing on a normal home connection if possible. After that, open the Steam client and go to Settings. Inside Settings, click on In-Game, and then look for the option to delete web browser data. This is an important step because Steam stores browser data that can sometimes become corrupted or cause loading and access errors. Clear that data, confirm the action, and then close Steam fully before reopening it again. Once Steam restarts, check whether the error is gone. If you still see Steam error 15, the next step is to change your DNS settings. DNS issues can cause Steam to fail when trying to reach its servers, so using a reliable public DNS can often help. You want to use Cloudflare as your primary DNS and Google as your secondary DNS. Set the primary DNS to 1.1.1.1 and set the secondary DNS to 8.8.8.8. After saving those changes, restart your computer so the new network settings can fully apply. Then launch Steam again and test the connection. In many cases, these three fixes, disabling VPN or proxy, clearing Steam web browser data, and switching DNS are enough to get rid of the access denied error. If it still doesn't work, double check that your internet connection is stable and that no firewall or security software is blocking Steam in the background. Also, make sure Steam is fully updated because outdated client files can sometimes cause strange connection problems too. To recap, if you get Steam error 15, start by disabling any VPN or proxy, then clear the web browser data inside Steam, and finally update your DNS to 1.1.1.1 and 8.8.8.8. Try those steps in order, and you should have a much better chance of getting Steam working again. If this guide helped, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.